Welcome everyone to the highly enjoyed cryptocurrency called Litecoin, another price prediction for 2024 of episode number 11. We're looking for discovering what's happening in the markets from the most important side possible, the rational side along the way with the technicals. A price prediction video aiming to discover those levels that you need to pay attention, including the key important market structures that are already going on for 2024. So let's find out more about on the topic and dive into the numbers for Litecoin, which has been disappointing a certain part of the community that are having probably exaggerated expectations. Yet I will tell you guys that this cryptocurrency is not one of a kind to throw it away. It is not a cryptocurrency to be ashamed of, and it's definitely not one of a kind that is one of those highly volatile, the best paying cryptos, but at the same time it has other advantages. If those are the ones you're searching, that you're fine. If you want craziness, volatility, and market pumps every other day, Litecoin has not been delivering those things. Some of you guys say unfortunately. Well, at some level I do agree with you on that. Now, we are having our video series of price predictions for 2024 already posted, some 8 episodes out here for 2024 on my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to see all the 100 episodes and receive the email notifications around whenever we're posting by subscribing and turning on your bell. At the same time, make sure to like this video and let me know your thoughts about Litecoin for 2024 price prediction, including the ability for you to join my trades. We have a no prior fee, only commission based on performance type of trading where you can join. This is my spreadsheet with results achieved, and we are performing the trading through API trading permission, completely outsourced for you. And you can see more details right here. You can also contact me and reach out. I can explain you more on the topic, including the ability to join my one-on-one coaching program. For anyone out there that is serious about this business, you definitely want to watch this video. And I'm going to talk about the whole coaching thing at the end of this presentation and episode. So it's the weekly candle, folks, that we're looking at. We're not looking into the daily. And the situation here is quite interesting for Litecoin. As you can see, as soon as it stays quite flat here down the road, Litecoin has not been exploding yet. It is a crypto which is used to deliver such percentages in a week, such as 41%. It has not delivered those things. So Litecoin, it's still not under heavy movements that we would actually expect. But the next target for Litecoin is straight away the number 5 impulse move, which is at 40% away from the current situation, and that is around $100. Am I going to be satisfied with that? Definitely not. Simply said, the resistance line of this trend that we're into, and as soon as we don't break out of this uptrending trend we're dealing with to enter in the accelerated phase, it is still a situation where the numbers are going to be kept pretty low. So the accelerated phase is going to start probably above 140s, 150s, depends from the time frame when are you going to touch that, because the resistance line at the top goes higher and higher, and better numbers you gotta achieve. Now, there is a mixture here of a major supply, somewhere around 120, 130, 140s, but I'm telling you guys, as soon as Litecoin starts moving, you're going to see 30-40% movements in a week, and you're going to print 2 or 3 weeks accordingly with that. Just like we did here, break above, come back to this level. Let's break above, come back to this level, and then push basically for the next target. 2024 will be the year where Litecoin needs to position itself above $200. Is this going to be possible? Well, it is very likely to be positioned above the golden pocket, coming from the structure that has been confirming on double confirmation the bear market scenario for the crypto space. It was the late bear market scenario in case of Litecoin, but that has been confirmed right there, and we were actually touching those crazy numbers out there. So this is the golden pocket that has to be broken between the two horizontal black lines, which is around 190s, $200 right there. Get above that. Easily you can get up to 240s, come back basically to the 200s, and find support in a market structure creation on that level, which means that you are going to create a very proper structure of liquidity right before the major accelerated phase of the bull market starts, which should take basically Litecoin to the all-time highs. So what do we expect basically? I'm going to measure this thing as how does the explosion must look like for Litecoin when it starts moving. It's 128%, guys. So give me 128%. 128% is actually triggering the price action quite high, and I would actually be very satisfied with a movement that would represent even a percentage of 78 to 80% in 2 weeks, retrace from there, and then basically start a movement to push higher and higher and higher. So the situation is obviously not bad at all, guys, for Litecoin. And think about it, if you made money with other cryptocurrencies, then it might worth to go with the next ones that are about to increase as well. Do not think that this is going to be the only cryptocurrency that will not move, and you are in a bad position by taking the responsibility to be in this crypto. Definitely not. At the same time, we need to consider the fact that the cryptos are having their algorithmical delayed form of activity on the market along the way with the market makers or exchanges that are acting in groups based on groups of cryptos. They cannot take the whole market up by 30% every day. They're taking some cryptos up, the other ones are just increasing 2 or 3% on their normal liquidity. So it needs that volume pump, which is Litecoin benefiting. As soon as it stays in the tops, as soon as it's not having many other problems, and board Litecoin is going to deliver. You just need to be patient with this, and whenever it's going to be above $200, just come back to this video. As well, whenever it's going to be here, you can also come back to this video and say something in the comments area. Let me know your PNL and let me know how it went on your side. I'm definitely sure about this whole picture that a lot of you have been waiting in the past couple of months in Litecoin and things have not been moving. As well, you were pretty much disappointed with what has happened in the past, let's say, 1 month, considering that we're not breaking out of 80s and a lot has been expected from. But again, Litecoin was not that cryptocurrency even at the beginning of 2023 rally, this one, to do something like this, like, you know, other cryptos have did, and then basically now they have pumped back to that level. Litecoin was definitely so slow for the entire movement since the major low has been made in June 2022. One thing is to be kept in mind is just you're building higher low structures. These structures are obviously slow in terms of time frame, takes many months to construct. But just like I said, once it moves and breaks out of these 3 major supply zones they were needing to deal with, and the downtrending, the uptrending resistance line, you are going to get into a massive liquidity area, and the targets will be set by the upcoming major supply, including the golden pocket. That is what I'm looking for 2024, guys. If we tend to touch 280s, it is amazing. It is a target which is less likely, but again, it is pretty much amazing. That's it for the moment. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. This has been our next episode on our price predictions for 2024. Just like I said, make sure to check out the other videos as well and keep in touch with our daily presentations. So we have these episodes, but we also have the daily side of the channel that you can check out, including the ability for you guys to join my trades. We have a lot of the trades that have been performed. We have our ChatGPT bot that performs for us as well and participates in the trades. No prior fee, only commission based on performance from the pure profits made. We are trading for you through API, like I said, but there's the other option as well, option number 2, which is monthly fixed fee, where you handle the signals and do the complete process by yourself. Now, what about a coaching? Well, the coaching is only for serious people, guys, that are looking for taking their business to the next level in terms of active and passive trading on the board. Whether you are a part-time or a full-time trader, day trader, swing trader, position trader, altcoin, BTC, it doesn't matter. Beginner, advanced, intermediate, it has no importance at this level. I'm taking your knowledge from the level it is, taking it to a higher, and the most interesting part is by turning your high potential on, by putting basically on the picture and on the board anything you could actually achieve with your mind. So this is a coaching program running live where I'm sharing my screen with you and I'm teaching you how to understand the language of the market, how to unencrypt the market by understanding, so you know how to react to the market and trade accordingly with that. As well, the mindset and psychology part, indicators, strategies, technicals, everything that is around the topic of a trader actually needs. We have the live trading part, exercises. You will have to start trading. We basically work brick by brick constructing the building of the trader which is needed. Find out more in the video. Register now for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can explain you more, and jump on board. We're ready, guys. Have a good time, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon.